everyone, welcome to IBRAHEEM MOOSA world. Today we are at FUNZONE in Muscat. After temperature check, we are in. First we will go to pet shop. Moosa likes pet very much. Come on. Let's see which pet we will take. Wow, so many cats. Moosa, which cat do you like?
Yes, I think Moosa likes this baby cat.
Okay, Abu.
Yes.
The cats are very nice.
Actually, Moosa likes all cats.
Yes.
Now these are the rats.
Oh, I love these rats.
These are very cute now, very small and very cute.
Yes, I want to take one.
No. Not now.
Oh, there's a wheel. The rats are playing together.
Yes. They are playing actually at the wheel.
Abu, these rats are not having tail.
Yeah, I think these are the different species. These are the pet rats.
Yes.
So,
oh, these are birds.
yeah, different categories and types of birds.
Yes, they are
Can see.
flying and playing together.
Yeah, these are the parrots you can see.
Yes.
Lovebirds, parrots,
Yes.
and different other categories also. These are big rats, Ibrahim. See.
Whoa,
Oh.
very big rat. Oh, these are fishes.
Fishes, different variety of fishes.
Yes. What we call them?
This is aquarium.
Yes.
Fish lives in
aquarium.
aquarium.
Yes. Oh, what's
Puffy
fish?
fish.
Yes. Yes. And
These are the
fish
golden
swimming.
fish. Yeah.
Yes. And fish are swimming and playing together.
Moosa wants to go inside
Yes.
and want to swim with the fish.
Abu, how they are doing skating?
Yeah, this is ice skating, Ibrahim. The floor you are seeing, it is of ice. Full ice is there. And they are skating on the
Yes.
ice.
Yes, I want to skate too.
Yes, you can learn easily, no problem. But first, we will try with the wheel skates, okay?
We'll
And then we will come for this ice skating.
Yes, we can learn with some rods or something that we cannot fall.
Yes. There is a stand, guidance,
Yes.
so that
and
you will
now
not fall.
Musa,
Oh, you are playing with the engine.
yes,
You are
engine.
sitting on the engine.
Yes,
Okay,
and Musa
good.
is having fun driving.
Moosa likes the car very much actually.
Yes, Musa likes car very much. He wants to drive. Abu, see how beautifully they are skating. They are not falling.
Yes, it needs a lot of practice.
Yes.
They learned it, and after a lot of practice, you can also do like this. Okay?
Yes.
You can do better than all.
Abu, let's go to ride section.
Okay, let's see. Let's explore what are all these things.
Oh, these are horses.
These are the horses. Yeah.
Musa loves to ride on horses.
Moosa is riding a horse.
Yes.
And he's so happy.
Yes, he wants to ride the horses many times.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's explore inside also.
Yes.
What all these different rides are.
Yes.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Oh.
See, Musa don't want to sit. Musa wants to sit in the plane.
Yes.
Now we are
Different
having
variety
fun.
of cars.
And different variety of engines.
Yes. Here you can have a little small training type, yes?
Yeah.
Because they are not moving.
Yes.
They have only music.
Yes, one is moving and this is moving.
Yeah, it's doing here and there like that. It's shaking, it's not moving.
Yes, Musa
Okay,
wants
but
to
at least
drive.
you can have a little fun. Yes.
But Musa wants to drive. And I want to also drive. So it needs to be two wheels, two handles.
Two steering.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I am going
Here-
on a jeep.
Here you have two steerings, so no problem.
Yes.
That Moosa can sit here.
But Musa don't want to sit because he's crying.
Now he said.
Yes. Now,
After seeing car, Moosa mood is always good.
Yes.
Ibrahim, let's go to the bowling section. Since kids are not allowed, we cannot go inside, but we can see. Okay?
Okay.
So we have to hit the pins here by rolling down the ball.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you. Abbo, let's go to the magic mirror.
Okay, let's check it out.
Okay.
We can click one photograph actually here. Okay?
Yes. We have to look on the camera. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you again soon in next video. Bye.